In this video, I want to talk about at least 3 benefits of Qi Gong. There's many benefits. There's many scientific studies now, and they're growing in number to give Qi Gong real great credibility. But let's look at 3 plus 1 benefits that Qi Gong will give you in this video. So at least 3 key benefits of Qi Gong are reduced stress. Everybody's feeling stress of this world today. Improved energy, a sense of inner calm, and better overall balance in the body. So reducing your stress, your anxiety, improving your energy, give you a sense of inner calm and better overall balance in the body. Who doesn't want that? Right, we all want that, and you can do that with your Qi Gong practice. That's the 4 benefits there. Qi Gong works by combining gentle movement, breathing and awareness. It's not like conventional exercise. What you're doing is you're getting the body to work properly. And if you want to go deeper into cardiovascular and body strengthening, Qi Gong will get you there as well, slowly, or you can do another practice outside of Qi Gong for body strengthening. This helps your body shift out of tension and into a more relaxed and stable state. Your body starts to work properly. Some of the most common benefits include reduced stress and anxiety. Qi Gong helps calm the nervous system, making it easier to feel settled and at ease. Improved energy levels. Rather than draining you, Qi Gong often helps create a more steady and natural flow of energy throughout the day. And better physical balance and flexibility. Slow, controlled movements help improve coordination, posture, and ease of movement. Many people also notice better sleep, clearer thinking, and a deeper sense of connection with themselves over time. The key is gentle consistency. Even short daily practice can begin to support these changes. These are important changes, right? This is your body we're talking about. And these are important because when you slowly get these changes to become more and more part of your daily life, you start to do more of it. So if something works for you, if you enjoy doing something and you're starting to get more into your body, you will start to get deeper into your Qi Gong practice, and these benefits will start to get deeper. Mine was stress and anxiety straight away. Almost straight away, it started to fall off of me. And I see people improve their lung condition, they improve their flexibility, they improve their clearness of thought, they improve their overall health and well-being. So many benefits to this. So if you want to go deeper with me, let's have a look at how you can do that. Stay on the same page. Qi Gong for Beginners, the complete guide to energy, health and inner balance. You can go through to that article there and see what Qi Gong can do for you as a beginner. Also, if you want to go a little bit deeper, it's the healing power of Qi Gong, how it can really help you. That goes much more in depth than this video. Or live online Korean Qi Gong classes where you begin to balance your energy and your vitality, and you start to get the real core benefits of Qi Gong practicing that. We do 2 classes a week, 7 p.m. on a Thursday evening, 11 a.m. on a Sunday morning. You can join us live. It's me doing live classes. So all you need to do is click the link in the description and make your choice. There's a free membership at the Bright Beings Academy as well. So I look forward to connecting with you again very soon or in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.